Ready to find your true calling? Let's navigate those career crossroads together. First, reflect on what truly excites you. What tasks make time fly by? Now, list your unique strengths and skills. How can you combine passion with talent? Research careers that align with your values. Don't be afraid to explore unconventional paths. Talk to professionals in fields that interest you. Their insights can be eye-opening. Try job shadowing or internships to get hands-on experience. Pay attention to what feels right. Trust your gut instinct. It often knows your true calling before you do. Remember, it's okay to pivot and change direction. Your career is a journey, not a destination. Take small steps towards your dream job every day. Embrace the process of self-discovery. Your perfect career is out there, waiting for you to find it. Believe in yourself and take that first step today.